my dear students, in today's lesson we're going to talk about the present continuous. Am, doing, yeah? For example, let's start our lesson from these examples. Sarah is in her car and she's on her way to work. She's driving to work. She is driving. Is driving is the form of the present continuous. This means she is driving now at the time of speaking. Yes, the action is not finished. The action is going at the moment of speaking. At now, M is are and M is are. It's the to be and the plus ing to the verb. It is the form of the present continuous. For example, I am. Yeah, we use I with am. Am driving. We are adding to the verb drive ing. Yes. And he, she, it is, he is working, and we use they are. We are doing, we are thinking, you are thinking, we are doing, you are working, and they are working also. It's the plural form, that's why we will add the are. The auxiliary verb are. Okay, I'm doing something. I started doing it and I haven't finished it. I'm in the middle of doing it. And please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to walk, not I try. And where is Mark? He's having a shower, not he has a shower. At the moment of speaking, he is having a shower. Yes, we're talking about Mark. So next exercise. Let's go out now. It isn't raining anymore. It is not raining anymore at that moment, at that time, right now. How is your new job? Are you enjoying it? How do you like it? Yes, how are you enjoying? Are you enjoying now at the moment of speaking? So, what is that noise? What's going on? What's happening? Also, it is a form of the continuous. What's going on? And sometimes the action is not happening at the time of speaking. For example, Steve is talking to a friend on the phone. He says, I'm reading a really good book at the moment. It is about a man who, and Steve says in this example, I'm reading, but he is not reading the book at the time of speaking. But he means that he has started reading the book, but hasn't finished yet. He is in the middle of reading it. He means that he started reading the book but has not finished it yet. He is in the middle of reading it. Okay, some examples. Forgetting, this is the present continuous. Yes, okay. Kate wants to work in Italy, and so she is learning Italian. Kate wants to work in Italy, so she is learning Italian. But perhaps she is not learning Italian at the time of speaking. Some friends of mine are building their own house and they hope to finish it next summer. Okay, you can use the present continuous with today, this week, and this year periods around now. You are working hard today, not you work hard today. Yes, I have a lot to do, and the company I work for isn't doing so well this year. The company I work for it is not doing so well this year. With the present continuous, when you talk about a change that has started to happen, we often use these verbs in this way. Getting, becoming, changing, improving, starting, beginning, increasing, rising, falling, growing. All the words are the verbs of the present continuous, and when we talk about a change that has started to happen, we often use these verbs in this way. So let's make up the examples. So, is your English getting better? Is your English getting better? It is a form of the present continuous, and it's getting better right now. Yes, it's in the process. In the process. So we'll use the getting. Is your English getting better? The population of the world is increasing very fast. At first, I didn't like my job, but I'm starting to enjoy it now. So, at first, I didn't like my job, but I'm starting to enjoy it now. The population of the world is increasing very fast. And at first, I didn't like my job, but I'm starting to enjoy it now. Not I start. So, to get these examples, okay, let's continue. Let's do our examples. Так, exercise number 1.1. Yeah, what's happening in the pictures? We can show to these pictures, and you can choose them from these verbs: cross, hide, scratch, take, tie, and wave. All of them are verbs, and so from these given verbs we must do the present continuous, guys. So the first one is she's taking a picture. So it's at the moment of speaking. Right now she is taking a picture. So the second one is what is he doing? And the picture of two. What do you think about it? So he's tying a shoe. Yes, a shoelace. He is tying a shoelace. Okay, the third one is the road. They are crossing. They are crossing the road. They are, yes, because in the picture you can see three people, yes, two women and one man, and this one man, and you can take that they are crossing the road. You'll use the verb the cross. The fourth one is the head. The fourth one is he is scratching. You use the verb scratch, and he is scratching his head. He is scratching his head. Okay, we have got it. And the fifth one is behind the tree. He is hiding. He is. Oh, it's in the fifth picture you can see the picture of the woman and the. So what can you say about this girl? And she is hiding behind the tree. She is hiding behind the tree. Okay, the sixth one is to somebody. So you can, from the sixth picture you can take the man and the woman. Yes, about the boy and the girl. They are, and so you must use the plural form. And they are waving to somebody. To somebody. Okay, so in the second one, in the second example, we can take that the sentence on the right follows those on the left, and which sentence goes with which. Please don't make so much noise, yes? Because I'm trying to work. And so guys, from this we must in the second example, we must continue, we must answer to this, the first one, to the first place, to the first part of the sentence. And in the next one, we must answer, we must write down about this sentence. Yes. We need, for example, let's continue. Yes, we need to leave soon. Why? Because it's starting to rain, so that's why they need to leave soon. I don't have anywhere to live right now. I don't have anywhere to live right now. I don't have anywhere to live right now. So they are the next part. So I'm staying with friends. That's why he is staying with friends, because he doesn't have anywhere to live. Yes, anywhere. He doesn't have house, home, and I need to eat something soon. I need to eat something soon. I need to eat something soon because I'm getting hungry. Because she is getting hungry. He is getting hungry. Okay, let's continue. In the third example, you can take and write questions in the use of present continuous. Yes. In the third example, you can see the verbs, the question words, such as the what, why, and the what, we, why, when, and so from the help of these words we must do the question as the question form of the sentences. For example, what's all that noise? What's happening? Yes. What is the matter? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? It's a good form. It's a normal form. It's a wonderful form of the present continuous. And where is your mother? And she's working today. And she is working today. It is a normal form. And in the question form, how we can use it? And the is, it is the auxiliary verb. It's the auxiliary form of the word is, and the she, and the between the she we must put the is. And is she work today? Is she working today? So what is the matter? Why are you crying? Yes. Then the third one is where is your mother? She is working today. Okay. So we have got it. Yes. So guys, and what about the fourth one? I haven't seen you for ages. What are you doing these days? What are you doing these days? Is the present continuous. It's a form of present continuous. Okay guys, and what are those people? What are those people? What are they doing? What are they doing? Put the verb, it's also the 1.4, put the verb into the correct form, positive and or negative. I'm doing and I'm not doing. Please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work. I'm trying to work. It's the present continuous. It's in the moment of speaking, in the moment of saying something, he is trying to walk. And let's go out now. It is not raining. It is not raining anymore. You can turn off the radio, and I listen to it. I'm trying to listen it. I'm trying to listen it. Okay. Also, guys. And let's continue our lesson. And in the unit 3, we must compare with the present simple, with the present continuous and the present simple. What kind of differences from you can mention from the present continuous and the present simple? Okay, guys, present continuous will use I'm doing, yeah, with the continuous for things happening at or around the time of speaking. The action is not complete. I'm doing, yes, at the moment. Also, with the continuous for temporary situations, things that continue for a short time. I'm trying with some friends until I find a place my down. And they are working hard today. Yes, I have a lot to do. So, I always do, and I'm always doing also. I always do something. I do it every time, yes. I always go to work by car. I'm always doing something. I do it too often or more often than normal. I'm always doing something. For example, I've lost my keys again, and I'm always losing them. I'm always losing them. I lose them too often or more often than normal. Also, Paul is never satisfied. He is always complaining. He complains too much. So you're always looking at your phone, and don't you have anything else to do? Don't you have anything else to do? And this time, you are doing it often than normal. So that's why you use this continuous. So thank you very much for attention. Goodbye, guys. Thank you for attention, and let's see at the next time.